Welcome back to the online classes on kinematics of machines. This is Chetan Jadhav from Mechanical Department, working with Jain College of Engineering, Belgavi. Students, today we'll be discussing about velocity and acceleration analysis of mechanisms by analytical method. In today's class, we'll solve one problem on 4-bar mechanism. Students, first we'll list different formula required for solving the problem. Let me consider vector AB as shown in the figure, having length r, and this vector AB is making an angle theta with respect to positive real axis in anticlockwise direction. So we can write displacement of vector AB as r e to the power I theta. We can write a velocity of vector AB as r omega e to the power I 90 plus theta. Similarly, we can write acceleration of vector AB as r omega square e to the power I 180 plus theta plus alpha e to the power I 90 plus theta. Students, before we are going to solve the problem, let me discuss some important points which are required while solving the problem. Note 1. If the values of angular velocity and angular acceleration of the kinematic links are positive, then the direction will be taken as counterclockwise. Similarly, if the values of angular velocity and angular acceleration of the kinematic links are negative, then the direction will be taken as clockwise. Note 2. We can write e to the power I theta as cos theta plus I sin theta, where cos theta is a real part and sin theta is imaginary part. Students, let me begin with problem number 1. In a 4-bar mechanism as shown in the below figure, link AB rotates uniformly at 2 radian per second in clockwise direction. Using complex algebra, write loop closure equation for this and also determine the magnitude and directions of angular velocity and angular acceleration of link BC and CD. Also state whether the magnitude of angular velocity of these links tend to increase or decrease at that instant. As shown in the below figure, the given mechanism is a 4-bar mechanism having 4 links, in which link AD is fixed, which is known as fixed link. Link AB is crank, rotating uniformly at 2 radian per second. Link BC is a coupler, and link CD is rocker, where AD is equal to 10 cm, AB is equal to 7.5 cm, and CD is equal to 15 cm. Let me start with the solution for the given problem. We can solve the given problem in 2 parts, part 1 and part 2. Here, first we'll assign different directions to different kinematic links, and also we'll write the length of each link and angle made by each link with respect to positive real axis in anticlockwise direction. That is, R1 is equal to AD is equal to 10 cm, R2 is equal to AB is equal to 7.5 cm, R3 is BC, that is unknown, R4 is equal to CD is equal to 15 cm, theta 1 is 0 degree, theta 2 is 90 degree, theta 3 is unknown, and theta 4 is 255 degree. First, we are going to write loop closure equation for the given mechanism. From the figure, it is clear that vector AB, vector BC, and vector CD are moving in similar order or similar direction, but vector AD is moving in opposite direction with respect to remaining vectors, so that we can write AB plus BC plus CD minus AD is equal to 0, or AB plus BC plus CD is equal to AD. Also, we can write these vectors as R2 e to the power I theta 2 plus R3 e to the power I theta 3 plus R4 e to the power I theta 4 is equal to R1 e to the power I0. We'll represent this equation as equation 1. Then we'll differentiate the above equation 1 so that we'll get R2 omega 2 e to the power I 90 plus theta 2 plus R3 omega 3 e to the power I 90 plus theta 3 plus R4 omega 4 e to the power I 90 plus theta 4 is equal to 0. We'll represent this equation as equation 2, where equation 1 is displacement of vectors and equation 2 is velocity of vectors. Then we are going to differentiate above equation 2 so that we will get R2 in bracket omega 2 square e to the power I 180 plus theta 2 plus alpha 2 e to the power I 90 plus theta 2 plus R3 in bracket omega 3 square e to the power I 180 plus theta 3 plus alpha 3 e to the power I 90 plus theta 3 plus R4 in bracket omega 4 square e to the power I 180 plus theta 4 plus alpha 4 e to the power I 90 plus theta 4 is equal to 0. We'll call this equation as equation 3, which represents acceleration of vectors. Students, let me start with the second part of the solution. Here, from equation 1, by comparing only real part of LHS and RHS, we can write R2 cos theta 2 plus R3 cos theta 3 plus R4 cos theta 4 is equal to R1 cos 0. After substituting the value of R1, R2, R3 and R4 and theta 1, theta 2, theta 3, theta 4, we'll get R3 cos theta 3 is equal to 13.8822. This equation we'll call it as first equation for a real part. Similarly, by comparing only imaginary part of LHS and RHS of equation 1, we'll write R2 sin theta 2 plus R3 sin theta 3 plus R4 sin theta 4 is equal to R1 sin 0. After substituting the value of R1, R2, R3 and R4, theta 1, theta 2, theta 3 and theta 4, we can write R3 sin theta 3 is equal to 6.9888. We'll call this equation as imaginary part of equation 1. Squaring and adding equation 1r and 1i will get R3 is equal to 15.54 centimeters. Taking the ratio of equation 1r and 1i, will get theta 3 as 26.72 degree. Similarly, by following the same steps which are explained in the previous slides, we can complete the solution for the given problem. Students, finally we can conclude that omega 3 and alpha 3 are moving in opposite direction, hence magnitude of angular velocity decreases with respect to time for link 3. Similarly, omega 4 and alpha 4 are moving in opposite direction, hence the magnitude of angular velocity decreases with respect to time for link 4.